pressure reactors from Asynt. What do we offer? Well, I have two here. These are some of our most popular off-the-shelf pressure systems. This is our multi-cell, 10 parallel reactions at high pressure. This is our Pressure Syn, a single position high pressure reactor with added safety features, 125 millilitres, developed with the University of Nottingham. But we offer much more than just these two products. We have many options with the multi-cell, larger volumes, lower numbers, additions, etc. The ability to take samples, different temperatures for each reactor position. So many options. Single position, we have a range of standard high pressure reactors up to 2 litres. However, we can fabricate these to pretty much any specification you want. Parallel, single position, from just tiny scales, tubular scales, right up to hundreds of litres. Different materials, Hastelloy, Inconel, stainless steel 316, very high temperatures. So whatever your requirement is for pressurized chemistry, we're your guys. Want to find out more? Then drop us a line to enquiries@asynt.com. Thanks for watching.